First one is Mia Copilot now have access to 10,000 tools. So before, what was before is that we have like only around 100 tools. So we restrict Mia Copilot into that 100 tool only and not increasing her because we afraid that we cannot control. But with last week when we are launching the MCP of AgenticFlow, we think that right now we have the ability for Mia to auto the debugging as well because we have the Copilot from last time. So let me just open AgenticFlow. So before we have the MCP server registry already. So we have a lot of like API, and each of these API having different tool like this one. But when you are working with Copilot, you're never able to tell the Copilot that you can use a Notion create page or something. But now we can. So what I'm doing is that I'm going to go into AgenticFlow. I'm going to log into my account. So after this one, if I go into my connection and go to my MCP server connection, I should have an AgenticFlow MCP July 24th here, which is I tested a few days ago. I haven't tested on this account yet, but today let me try to do it again. I'm going to create a new workflow agent. Let's just my brand a new Copilot. And what I'm doing is that I'm just copy and add that MCP. Okay. Alright, so in this one, if you notice that there is something new here. So we have the list external MCP app, search external MCP app, and get external MCP tool. So these are the three new tools that we add into AgenticFlow MCP of July 24th, which is a few days ago. So what does it have allow us to do? So what it does is that it will help us to do some part of the work. So for example, like can you check if which action I can use with Gmail. Okay, so it will trigger search an MCP app, and then it will tell me that okay, I can download, update, or send email, list, and so on. So this means you no longer have to remember or understand what Gmail can do. Right now, you only need to giving a really comprehensive prompt of a process that's very long, and then agent itself will find a way to do it. But in order to do it, you need to create an agent that with the instruction already. So I'm going to using one of the agent that I created before with this system prompts here. Okay, let me expand so that you can read what is it inside. So this is like a core workflow process of my new Copilot. It will have the like AgenticFlow health check. It will search, it will list, but this is more important. So I'm adding more instructions so that an agent is going to try to use MCP as much as possible. So when user need external services, the agent will check if function exist or not, like apply appropriate, like Gmail, plan the action name, design instruction, and not require connection. So I gave it some of the example, some preview phase, and so on, and I extended some of as we note and so on. So I mean, this is just very normal system prompt that I come up with Claude, but somehow it's helping me. So let me try with maybe some simple prompt like this one. I'm going to ask my agent to build me a workflow. Simply send an email, say hello from my Gmail, and see if it's working. Okay, firstly, it's going to do the health check. It will search for node type. It will list a node type. Health check again. Health check. Okay. Really? Are you sure? Okay, I think it is running into a loop already. What is it? Okay, I think for this one, what I'm going to do is I will change the model. This one seems not so good. Let's do a new one. Okay. And I do the refresh. Let's paste this again. Hopefully this row is working. Okay, it already doing this one. Create a Gmail with this workflow ID. Let me check if it's working or not. Let me go to workflow. Let me refresh. Okay, Gmail hello world sender. Okay, it's doing the run MCP action with Gmail send Gmail. Let me create a connection. If I have a connection Gmail in here, look like I don't have Gmail. Okay, I have a one Gmail. Okay, so when I have this one, okay, so it's look like when I have Gmail and I can select from here, and the instruction is transformed into something that like dynamic form prompt like this one, and even like I can click on this one in order to go into the documentation of like Gmail. Then this one should work already. And you can go into the here, and then you will see that there is some problem that in this one, for example, like the Copilot is not so good yet. So for example, like it's creating some like empty message body in here. So what I'm suggesting you is because of the user input is having some problem. So normally what I'm going to do is I will need to optimize the prompt of the Copilot, or maybe just like give it a prompt so that it will learn. I will export this workflow and come back into my Copilot. Okay, let me just paste this one. And I'm telling my agent that say, hey, your input of the workflow doesn't work. Can you validate it first and fix this? You can refer to this workflow as it has good input. Okay, so I will give more instruction to my agent so that it will trigger. So this is also one of the tools that we are giving to our agent. So AgenticFlow validate workflow. So it means it will trigger a tool in our server that going to validate the workflow, and then it will returning some tool, and it will update the workflow with a new tool. So after the instruction, it will try to fix it, and it will fix it in this workflow. So let me go into the workflow again, and I hope that this route it should be better. Let me go here. You can see it fixed already. It has the input and email subject. Remember, just a minute ago, it doesn't know how to enter the input, but now it's fixed already. And in send email, it still have here. I just need to connect my Gmail into this MCP. Where is my Gmail? Okay, and I click save. I will go into run, single run in here. So I will have a form that I just need to enter my recipient email, subject and body, and then when I click run, it will trigger this MCP action, which is actually a Gmail action, send email from my email to this user input. All right, I think that is a bit complicated. I'm going to open Discord now because I guess some of you might have question. So we will go and answer question. All right, can you share your prompt? Absolutely. Yeah. Go into agent, you go to edit agent, you just copy the entire this one. I'm going to post this here and this here, and I paste here. Oh, it doesn't allow me. Anyway, yes, you can download this one, and then you just go into the AgenticFlow. All right, so this one I already answered, so that's good. Those prompt SF system tone like knowledge retrieval. No, that is tool that are available in AgenticFlow MCP. So exactly this one. You can go in here, and then you will see that this is a tool that we gave to the agent. And if you remember last time that I do Claude, and I also give Claude my AgenticFlow MCP and Claude having that capability. Let me open my Claude now, and I'm going to show you. And I'm going to switch the screen so that everyone can see this screen. I'm going to add more stream. I will add one more windows. I'm going to my Claude. I'm adding with this window. So everyone used to see my Claude now. And everyone on YouTube, anyone on YouTube? No one on YouTube. Anyway, I will share screen on YouTube, and you will see my Claude as well. And when you are in here in Claude, actually you can, if you set up it correctly, and then you will see that AgenticFlow MCP is having all of the tool in here. Whether we have like get external MCP, this is not showing full, but you have the search external, get external, create workflow, list external, and even validate workflow. So these are the action that we already provide, and the agent in AgenticFlow can use, or even like cloud desktop can use, as long as you can configure. But I think last time when we are having some of the customer is trying to set it up, but it is broken. I think maybe Claude is preventing you to do that. But if you are going to setting, and then you will see the where is it? The developer, and then you just click edit config on this one. It will allow you to put the header and config, and you will be able to see that. Okay. Yeah. So I think that pretty much it on the Claude. I hope that I answered to your question. And let me go back into Discord. Because this is something that we give everyone so that you can bring your own Copilot. I mean, if you have Claude already and you subscribe for this already, you should use that. Now, Opus is very expensive, but if you're just having $20 a month, you can use the smartest model for this task, and it doesn't cost me. So I just need to supporting the AgenticFlow server a lot, but I don't need to pay for token, and that is sustainable. And the more and more, ChatGPT, right? For ChatGPT, I think I saw somewhere. Hey, wait, I'm going to go back into my my chat. I will be to stop sharing screen on this one. I will share again on this screen, and on Discord I'm going to switch back into the screen of this one as well. So if you go back in here, you will see that long ago, I think even when we are studying MCP, I was talking about something. This one. ChatGPT support MCP. So this was office hour 6, so it means 6 weeks ago. They have some setting in ChatGPT that allow you to setting config on ChatGPT to use MCP. But for now, I haven't tried yet. I don't know if it's work. But maybe I will create a video how can connect AgenticFlow MCP to ChatGPT. So so it means AgenticFlow MCP right now, which is pretty powerful. It's going to allow you to extend the Copilot in order to have a lot of useful capability. Here is some of the prompt that you can try. It will give you some of the workflow that having the ability with different other tool. So, but there's some bug, I would say, because you still need to do some triple sorting, because sometimes the agent get wrong, and sometimes the function not working. So my suggestion for you to triple sort is: 1, ask the agent. Wait, just English by here. How to triple sort. 1, give agent with your Copilot, okay, a good working workflow, so it learn the pattern. Okay. 2nd, ask it to validate the workflow by using SFMCP, and then update the workflow to reflect it. So if you can see in here, what I just show you is that I'm asking the agent to fix its coronavirus tool, and then it will actually fix itself. So it will update the workflow that it had been created before with a new one that is working. And then it just reflect like this is a key fix and it's applied. And this is something that you can use by yourself. And later, when we are finishing the full integration, I just put it here. So how to troubleshoot. Let's make it bigger. Later, when we are having the full integration, we will actually going back into workflow. So we will replace. This is a bit lagging. So if you notice in here, we have a build with chat function. So this build with chat currently is using the Copilot V1, I would say. So what's coming next? So this is current build with chat is using Copilot V1. So what is coming next? So what we are going to build next is we will make the agent to be Copilot V2. That support use AgenticFlow MCP in order to having the fully kind of like Vibe coding your automation. So that is something that we are always aiming for, and this is also for August roadmap as well. I will have a discussion for this later after a while on this.